morning, dears. How are you? I hope everybody is fine. Today, you imagine that you wake up early in the morning. The first thing what you will do? Yeah, you will see your time, isn't it? Am I woke up early in the morning? Is it 6 or 7? Isn't it? So, time is so necessary for us, isn't it? So, when you're back to school, the first thing what will you do? You will see the timing of the school, isn't it? So, time is necessary in our day-to-day life. Today, we are going to see about the lesson time. Okay. So, here it is some takeoff is given in your book. Okay. So, first we will see that. Okay. I have a hand, but I cannot clap. Who I am? It is what? Clock. Okay. So in a clock, the shorthand is the dash hand. Shorthand will be what? It is a hour hand. And the long hand is the what? Long hand will be minute hand. Okay. Fine. At dash o'clock, the hour and the minute hand are pointed at the exact same point. When it will be, we will see at the clock, right? So 12 o'clock, both the hand will be same. Okay. Can you see this? At exactly 12 o'clock, both the hour hand as well as the minute hand will go together. Yes? Fine. So this is called as 12 o'clock. So third answer is 12 o'clock for you. Okay. So we will see how to see the timing. I hope in the grade 2 itself you would have studied the clock, isn't it? So once again we will see. So it is one complete rotation to make 12 hours, isn't it? Yes. This is what hand? It is hour hand and this is minute hand. Okay, the short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is minute hand. Okay, fine. Now we are going to see this hour hand. If it wants to move to 1 o'clock, this minute hand has to move one complete rotation so that it will become what? 1 hour. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So here between 12 and 1, you will have 5 countings. Okay. So when it want to move to 1 countings, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Like this, you have to do 60 times so that it moves one single time. Okay. So it wants means it is this will move to this one time means it will become what? 12. It is 1 minute. After 12, it becomes 1 minute. When it moves to 1, so each is 5 counted, isn't it? You know the 5 table, isn't it? So it will become what? 12, it will become 12, 5. Next, 12, 10, 12, 15, 12, 20, isn't it? The 12 will be there. Okay. And this minute hand will be moving. Understand? So it will become 25. And it is 30. Okay. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So totally you have 60 minutes. Is it clear? Fine. So this clock, in this clock, you can have first 12 o'clock. Okay. Again when it moves, again you'll have a 12 hours. So 12 plus 12 is 24 hours a day. For one day you have 24 hours. This clock will make 2 rotation. So it will make how many rotation? This is 12 o'clock. If imagine it is your lunch break 12 o'clock. Okay, from this time to it moves and again it comes to 12 o'clock at midnight. Okay, midnight it is 12 o'clock. Understand? Fine. Now we are going to see your time. Okay. So you can see the time in your book, page number 120. So here what is given? 2 o'clock is given, isn't it? So how you can show in your clock 2 o'clock? The hour hand will be in 2 and the minute hand will be in 12. Understand? This all o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. The long hand, which is minute hand, will be in 12. Okay. This hour hand will be showing the particular time. If it is 3 o'clock, it will move. 12 will be there and 3 o'clock. Okay. So if it is 9 o'clock, it is 9 and the hour hand is pointing towards 9 and it is 12 o'clock. Is it clear? Fine. So next we are going to see 8:30, half past 8. 8:30 can be said as what? Half past 8. How will you do that? 8:30. So keep it in your hour hand near 8. And 30 means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it comes near 30. It's clear here? Fine. So it is 8:30. So that can be said as what? It is half past 8. Half past 8. So half past 9. Half past 9 means what will you do? You keep it in the 9 and it will be 9:30. Half past 11. So 11 and it is 11:30. It should not be, the hour hand should not be exactly near 11. When it comes 30, it will move in the middle of this, between 11 and 12. Understand, your hour hand should be pointing between 11 and 12. Is it clear? Likewise, we will go to next one. 10 minutes past 9. Okay. Okay, now it is 10 minutes past 9. Imagine you keep it in the hour hand in the 9 and 9 after it is 10 minutes. 9:10. Instead of saying 9:10, the time is 9:10. How you can say 10 minutes past 9. It has passed 10 minutes. Okay. If it is 20 minutes past means 20 minutes past 9. Okay. Like that you can say. Okay. Next. Next is 10 minutes to 1. So it is not 1 o'clock. It's going to be 1 o'clock. So how you can say that? It is 1 and 10 minutes is there. So keep it in this. So what is the time now? 10 minutes to 1. 10 minutes, what's the time is now? It is 12:50. Is it clear? Fine. Next, quarter past 6. Quarter. Okay, quarter. Half means 30. 30, in the 30 half it is 15. 30 you divide it by 2, it will become 15. Isn't it? So quarter means it is 15 minutes. Half means it is 30 minutes. Quarter means it is 15 minutes. So quarter, it means what? It is 6:15. So how will you show that? It is 6 and 15. Okay. Is it clear? Fine. Next, quarter to 5. So quarter means there is 15 more minutes to go to 5. So how will you show that? 4:45. How will you show that 4:45? 4 and it is 45 means 40, 45. So each countings you multiply it by 5 table. 5 1 is 5, 2s are 10, 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. It keeps on going till 60. Is it clear there? Okay, fine. Now with this, you have a little idea about the timing, isn't it? Now you can take your book. In the book, see, this is your activity. Write the time shown in each of the clock in 2 different ways. Okay. So first way will be what it in the book. It is direct answer. Okay. So direct answer in the sense what? If what is the time? If they ask what you will say. The 10 the small hour hand is between 10 and 11, isn't it? So what will the time? It is 10. Okay, 10 and it is straight to 45. So at the first time it is 10:45. Okay, then how will you write it? How will you write it as another chance? 2 different ways they asked to write, isn't it? Another way is what? You can write quarter to 11. Okay. Is it clear? Fine. Likewise, you can complete all the exercise in the book itself. No need of copying it in the classwork. Okay, fine. Next, what is given? What is given? Second one, draw the hour hand and the minute hand to show the given time on the face of the clock. Time is given, you have to draw the hour hand and the minute hand. Okay, so hour hand, how will you write? 2:20, isn't it? Should not draw the 2 at the exactly 2. Little bit you have to move. 2:20, how will you express 2:20? So 2 will be between this 2 near to it, and 20 it will come at 4. Okay, yes, fine. So this way you can easily draw that. Okay, hour hand and the minute hand to the all the clocks. Okay, this is very simple second, but then you can finish it. All right, fine, good. Now it is time in AM and PM. You would have heard about this. 6 AM I woke up. You'll write, isn't it? At 3 PM I reached my home. So these words you have heard, isn't it? So what is that? AM and PM? Fine. We are going to see that what is AM and PM. Now listen. See here. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Half hour is 30 minutes. Then 3/4 hour is 45 minutes. Okay. So now you imagine one day you have 24 hours. Okay. So 12 o'clock in the day is written as 12 noon, and 12 o'clock in the night is written as 12 midnight. Okay. So from 12 midnight to 12 noon, it is first 12 hours. I said no before. The clock reaches 12 two times. Okay. So that is 12 noon to first 12 hours to the day. It means to the day. Then write the time at 12 midnight to 12 noon is AM. Understand? Right from midnight to next afternoon 12, it is AM. That is called as anti-meridian. Okay. Okay, anti-meridian. Okay. Next, from 12 noon till 12 midnight are the second 12 hours of the day. That can be said as post-meridian. Okay. So how now you know the explanation of AM and PM? Fine. Good. So with this, the timings will be given. You have to write the AM and the PM in the exercise 5.2. You can take the book and with the pencil you can write it. 6 o'clock in the morning. Very good. It is AM. 4:30 in the evening. It is PM. Good. So likewise you complete the other things. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks using morning, afternoon, noon, evening and night. You have to fill this with the help of this time. Okay. 5 AM. It is morning, isn't it? Early morning. Shall I say 12 PM? It is what? Noon, isn't it? Okay. 10 PM. It is night. Fine. Good. So you can write this and complete it. Okay. Good. Now look at this. So 1 year, one year is, you know that it is 365 days and 1/4 hours, isn't it? So that you know already. So this is the year name is what? 2021, isn't it? So we have a tough time with 2020, isn't it? Let all the smooth conditions comes on 2021. We'll have a great year 2021. Okay. So this is the calendar of 2021. Now you know that they have 365 days and 1/4 hours. You know that February has 28 days. Rest of the months have 30 or 31. So what are the months you know? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So these are the months, isn't it? So you should know how the months are being calculated. Okay, so how to remember which month have 30 days, which month is 31 days, that we don't know, right? So you have a little, like a small song you can understand. Okay, 30 days of September, April, June and November. Rest of the months are 31 days except February. Okay, 30 days of September, April, June and November. Rest of the months are 31 except February. Okay, with this you can easily understand. Or else you have your, see, in your hand you have what? Keep your fingers like this. Okay, and count the top, the toe which is movable, right? Or all that which comes are 31. Okay. Start with January at the end. Okay. So end is January, middle will become February. Then March. Then middle will become what? April. Then May. Okay. Then June. Then July. Again go to the next top. Okay. Like the top, all the things will be what? 31 days. Understand? Except February. So the middle comes, all the months are 30. Understand? So now if I start January, this is February. So February will not come under 31. So January is 31. March is 31. Understand? Then May is 31. Likewise, you have to understand. Okay. So likewise, August and July and August will have continuous months with 31. Okay. Except other thing, with this rule you can follow, or with the song you can follow. 30 days of September, April, June and November. Okay, rest of the months are 31 except February. Fine, good. With the help of this, you are going to answer some questions. Okay, so here in the page number 125. Okay, page number 125, what you are going to do is, see here, the box is given. Okay, that month is what? Very good, it is February. Here, you see, the questions are given. With the help of this month, you have to write that. Okay. Now, observe that the second Saturday of the month is the dash of February. They are asking which date. Okay. So, second Saturday means go to the Saturday. Second Saturday is what? Very good. It is what? 11. Fine. Next, go to the third Wednesday of the month is dash of February. Third. It is asked what? Third Wednesday. So, go to the third Wednesday. 1, 2, 3. Third Wednesday is what? 15. Okay, fine. Next, 28th February is dash. Is what? 28th February is what? Which day? It is Tuesday. Fine. There are dash Sunday in this month. How many Sundays are there? You can count it, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Sunday. There are dash Mondays in the month. So, how many Mondays are there? Understand here? So, with this, you can complete till this. So, conversion will be taught on the next session. If you have any doubts, please do call me. Thank you, dears.